One of the dreams that I had, which I then turned into a vision, which I then had the opportunity to allocate budgets to, is to make sure that every parish in Jamaica has a park. Not a park that you have to lock up and mad people take it over and all kind of foolishness happening in the park. A park where you can go and walk, go eat ice cream and sit down on the grass, go watch performance in the park, go do a little jogging. You can have recreation in the park. A whole heap of the lifestyle diseases that we have is because we don't have any plan, is that every parish must have a park. We built one in St. James and we call it the Harmony Park. The PMP then promised to build a park here. For how long? I come and I am building the park now. It's called the Resilience Park in Portmore.